The future just shifted gears, and it wears a Bugatti badge. This is the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon, a shocking revolution that redefines what a hypercar can be. More than a beast, it's a game-changer engineered to dominate the next era of speed and luxury. Visually, the Tourbillon is controlled violence made beautiful. Its sculpted carbon body slices through the night with ruthless precision. The iconic horseshoe grille anchors the front, flanked by razor-sharp LED-light blades. Massive air intakes breathe purpose, while an impossibly low stance makes it look like it's braking. The laws of physics even at rest. This isn't styling, it's functional. Art designed for 300 miles per hour. Step inside, and Bugatti fuses old-world mastery with future intelligence. The cockpit feels like a mechanical timepiece reborn as a digital command center. Exposed titanium structures, crystal dials inspired by Swiss watchmaking, and a discrete curved screen create a cabin that's timeless, focused, and brutally elegant. Luxury here doesn't shout, it whispers precision. Under the skin, the Tourbillon rewrites history. A newly developed, naturally aspirated V16 pairs with electric motors to unleash over 1,800 horsepower. 0 to 60 arrives in under 2 seconds, while electrification sharpens throttle response, balance, and efficiency. It doesn't just roar, it roars with intelligence. Innovation drives every detail. Advanced torque vectoring, next-generation battery systems, predictive driver assistance, and an ultra-lightweight architecture push performance and control beyond anything before it. In the hypercar arena, the Tourbillon rises above rivals like the Koenigsegg Jesko and Rimac Nevera. With pricing expected beyond $4 million, exclusivity is absolute, but so is legacy. The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon proves perfection doesn't stand still. It evolves, without ever losing its soul. Don't forget to subscribe to Future Car for more cinematic reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow. Today, which feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments.